Day 1, Pencil Drawing with Paintology. In this video we are going to show you how to use the shade brush. This brush is the basis of most of our pencil drawings in this category. Once you get good at using the brush, you can use it to make a variety of drawings just like the real pencil and paper. From the home screen, select the Draw button and go to the blank canvas. You can also get to it by clicking on the pencil icon on the top right. From the menu on the top, let's select the brush tool. If you are not already on the shade brush tool, simply click on the More brushes to access all the brushes. From the brush dialog, let's set the brush size to about 50% and keep hardness to 100%. Also, if you are not on the grayscale mode, simply select this on the brush dialog. This switches the color palette from color to grayscale. Let's keep the selection of the gray tone to halfway as shown. If we make a stroke once, then go over it again, the tone keeps becoming darker just like a pencil. If we keep going we will only get the gray tone set on the color palette. Let's drag the selection all the way to the right, which is darker, and try this again. You will see that it builds up to a darker color. All of this is very useful for making nice pencil drawings. There is also another way of selecting your gray tones, and this is the hardness setting found on the dialog box. Let's move the hardness to the halfway point and see what happens. You will see that the hardness setting also allows you to control the tones. Let's make a few strokes. You can see it follows the gray tones very similar to the grayscale. Think of this setting like the hardness setting of a real pencil. For example, H1, H2 or H3 and B1, B3, B12 etc. You will find that as you draw, you will become used to the settings and apply it to your drawings. Let's reduce the size of the brush to a small percentage as shown. This allows you to use the shade brush just like a real pencil as shown. This lower setting is a great way to get to the details of the drawing. You can use the pinch zoom to get even more close to the details. This is the technique we use to make realistic drawings. The larger size of the shade brush is good for blending, for example when you draw a face. The shade is a powerful brush to make many types of pencil drawings. You will find many tutorials under this category for you to try. This will allow you to learn new techniques to make you a proficient artist. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps us greatly to improve the Paintology app. Paintology, bringing back the fun of drawing, just like the real thing.